Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Informatica Cloud for enterprise data quality, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Informatica Cloud website. Once on the home page, locate and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up option to create one. After signing in, access that admin panel from the main dashboard. In the admin panel, look for the Services section. Here, find the Enterprise Data Quality option. Click on the Activate button next to this option. You may need to review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you agree to the terms, click on Continue. Next, select your preferred region for data processing. After selecting, click on Save Changes to confirm your selection. You will then see a notification confirming that Enterprise Data Quality is activated. Now, return to the main dashboard. From here, locate the Data Quality tab in the menu. Click on it to proceed to the Data Quality Configuration page. Begin setting up your data quality rules by selecting Create Rule. Follow the prompts to define the parameters for your data quality checks. Once your rules are defined, save your progress. You can test your rules by selecting the Test option at the bottom of the page. This helps ensure your data quality checks work as intended. After testing, finalize your configuration by clicking on the Deploy button. Your enterprise data quality solution is now fully activated and ready for use. You can continuously monitor and adjust the settings as necessary from the dashboard. Explore additional resources in Informatica Cloud for further guidance. And that's it. You have successfully activated Informatica Cloud for enterprise data quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.